I got doubts in my mind. I'm not good with goodbyes. When I feel we were fine, I got stuck here without you. Now I'm drawing new lines. When you stepped on my pride, yeah. Oh baby, I'm dying, yeah. I'm so lost here without you. She gone looking for new places. I feel drawn out, I don't know my place, and I long for some more feelings away.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will introduce all my handmade products to you. Since I always share the behind the scenes ng pagtatahi ko, paggagawa ko ng hair bows and everything. So now I decided to share all of my handmade products, and also I will be sharing to you guys our new handmade products. Bali, dalawa siya. That's why products. And here I have my iced coffee. Kanina pa kaya wala ng ice. So let's start. So first, I have here the regular size of scrunchie. This is color baby blue. Bali, iba yung kulay ng sky blue and yung baby blue. This is my favorite color, baby blue. Pero minsan lang ito na may stock kasi depende din sa binibilhan namin ng tela. This is the first scrunchie. I have only two types of scrunchie. This is my regular size and the XL size. Next is my XL. Here's my XL scrunchie. The difference. So, by the way, itong regular size, retail ko nito is 10 pesos. Per pag bulk na bibilhin nyo, it's 5 pesos each. So mostly ito yung kinukuha ng mga ukay-ukay seller sa akin kasi pang freebie nila sa kanilang live selling or sa mga store nila. In this XL scrunchie, I have here pink and sage green. Ito na lang yung natira kasi hindi pa ako nakakapag-stock ng walang garter. So baka next week makakapag-stock na ako ng XL scrunchie namin. I have here sage and pink. So yung mga light colors, pagdating sa scrunchies, yung light colors hindi mabenta sa mga high school and college student. So gagawa ako ng mga XL scrunchie na mga dark colors na yung next to stock ko nito kasi yung target audience ko nito is mostly teenage, mga high school, college, ganun. Yung mga gusto talaga nila, yung mga prefer na color nila is dark. That's why hindi mabenta yung light colors, kaya ito na lang yung mga natira. So next restock namin is dark colors na. So tapos na tayo sa scrunchies. Now let's move on to the hair bows. I have 3 different types of hair bows: the classic hair bows, the fancy hair bows, and the sailor bow. Let's start with the classic bow. I have here, kakarista ko lang ng classic ng mga hair bows ko. Here I have 9 colors. Pink one, gold, yellow. Ang ganda ng pagka-yellow nito. Lilac, cream, sky blue, red, fuchsia, and black. Sa mga hair accessories ko, hindi pwede mawala yung cream and black. Kasi, wala, basic color. Minsan white. Black, cream, or white. Yan ang mga hindi pwede mawala. Ito naman, retail ko nito is 25 pesos. So, yung size na, yung gamit na clip ko is alligator clip. You can see, alligator clip yung gamit ko. Nasa 5.6 cm. Bali, in inches, nasa 2 inches. Nasa 2 inches yung size ng clip. So, perfect ito sa mga bata, yung mga elementary student, kinder. Ito mabenta ito sa mga nanay dito sa amin. Kasi yung mga anak nila, especially dun sa suki ko, na friend ko, of course, my friend Tito Dar and Mudina, my college classmate. May mga anak na sila. Yung anak ni Tita Dar yung tawag ko. Pero mas matanda ako sa kanya. Yung anak ni Tita Dar is kinder na. Same as sa anak ng college friend ko na si Angelica. So, lahat yata ng kulay nito, meron na sila. Lahat na nire-restock ko is bumibili sila. Especially Tita Dar. She loves pairing yung mga hair accessories sa damit ng ni Bella. So, next, we also offer this in wholesale. The next one na hair bow is fancy bow. Here's the fancy bow. Yung clip nito is nasa same lang ng clip ng classic bow na gamit ko. Same lang. Ito fair classic bow. I mean the clip. And I put grass grain na ribbon para matakpan ng yung dito, yung end ng center na tela na pinoffer ko. I covered it with grass grain na ribbon para malinis tingnan. Pero dito hindi ko na ginawa kasi nahihirapan ako. Meron akong 9 colors ng fancy bow. Same lang yata ng kulay ng mga classic bow ko kasi I offered it by pair also. I have lilac, the cream, the fuchsia, sky blue, the pink, gold, and the last 3 is yellow, black, and the red. This red is very cute. I love the red. Just like my top. Red. And last in our hair bow is our sailor bow. Ito sailor bow namin is last year may ginawa akong sailor bow, yung knot lang, yung tinatali lang. And I use alligator clip dun sa sailor bow namin last year. So yun, hindi yun masyado mabenta. Excuse me, inumin ako ng puti. Yung sailor bow namin last year, hindi siya mabenta. Kasi hindi din ako magaling mag-market. So, just this year, early June or July, kailan ako nag-release naman? July siguro. Basta just this year, June or July, maybe between June or July, I created this sailor bow. Where's the cream? Oh, ito. The sailor bow. Yung cream na ganito. I love this color. Cream. Very innocent. Diba ang ganda? Diba? Ito talaga yung mabenta na sailor bow. lahat, as in lahat ng mga students, pabenta to. Pati dun sa shop kung saan dun sa store na kung saan may display kami ng mga hair accessories namin, mabenta to. They love the Sailor Bow, especially the satin one. Siguro kasi gusto nila kasi wala lang, very shiny. That's why mabenta to. Kaya kung gusto nyo bumili ng hair bows, ito perfect to. Ito yung cream, very innocent looking. By the way, I used the French bar clip. Ito. And yung size nito is 10 centimeters. In inches is nasa 4 inches. Malapit. Almost 4 inches yung size. So, pwede ito sa thick hair. You know what's funny is I don't like using hair accessories. Gumagawa lang ako ng hair accessories because my sister Kay, she loves to style her hair. That's why I love creating hair accessories for my youngest sister. So here. So by the way, I have 9 color of this, and I have 5 new colors. Here, ito talaga meron na nito sa matagal kong itong ginagawa. Ito, what's color this? Cream, lilac, gold, perfect yung gold. Perfect pag sa Christmas party na, diba? Perfect. Of course, the black bow, hair bow, black Sailor bow. And I have 5 new colors. The old rose, fuchsia, very bright ng fuchsia. Sky blue. You know what? This sky blue is my favorite color since elementary. Sky blue. Red. You know, red na mga top is ito lang talaga yung red top na may meron ako. Actually, dress ito from my auntie, and I cut it. Here, look. I made it as top. And the bottom part of this is I also made it as top. Red. I don't like red that much, pero for this one I love because of the design. But I don't wear red outside the house. If gagala ako, if may pupuntahan ako, no, I don't wear red. And also bags, I don't use red bags and everything. And the golden yellow, very bright, perfect for the kids, diba? Oh, ito. And I also cover the end part ng center fabric ng gross grain na ribbon para clean ng tignan. That's why I covered it. I didn't film the process of making this while I'm restocking this because wala na, short na ako ng time. Marami na naghahanap ng restock ko. So hindi na ako nakapag-video. Bawi na lang ako, gagawa ako ng tutorial on how I make this Sailor bow. Comment kayo guys if gusto nyo ng tutorial of doing this. Sorry guys if medyo matigas yung Tagalog ko ha. You know, as Bisaya and also my English, I'm not really good sa English. That's why sometimes I talk Tagalog English. So let's move on to our product. I will dropping this on October 11, so stay tuned on our Facebook post and Instagram post. So the first product that I will show you is our wallet. Actually guys, yung wallet na to, nakita nyo na to sa previous upload ko dun sa pop-up event para sa Perpetual, University of Perpetual. This one, sky blue. Available ito ng ito lang yung printed na available sa wallet na quilted wallet. Not sure available din ito on plain ones, pero di pa ako sure kung ano yung mga kulay na gagawan ko nito. Di pa ako nakakagawa eh, kasi yung plain cream nito binigay ko kay mama kasi kaya need niya daw. So this wallet, yung size nito is 6.5 inches by 4.5. 6.5 inches the width and the height is 4.5. The zipper, quilted siya. If you can see, quilted yung wallet. And the inner lining na ginamit ko is mga scrap fabric lang. Mga scrap fabric ko na meron ako na hindi ko tinatapon. Ito, like this. This green satin. Scrap fabric siya. Hindi ko siya nagawa as scrunchies kasi masyado siyang maliit. And yung pag-cut ko. So, tinago ko siya. Binili ko pa tong satin scrunchies last year, December. Nung may nagpagawa ng ganitong kulay ng mga scrunchies. So, walang walang tapon. Yung mga tira-tira nitong mga scrunchies and hair bows, walang tapon. Ginagawa kong as lining ng wallet size ko, mga wallets ko. Guys, stay tuned for more available colors ng mga wallets natin sa Facebook and Instagram. Follow us at shopbyjackie.co. And the next product is our pouches. I love pouches. You know, everything from in my bag, yung bag ko, lahat naka-pouch. Makeup kit, my ball pens, my charger, my notebooks, naka-pouch lahat. That's why, since college days ako, I love pouches. You know? Lagi ko kinukuha yung pouch ng mama ko. And I wish that time na marunong ako gumawa ng pouch. And now, marunong na ako. So, I made pouches, box pouches here. The color pink na stripes, quilted din siya. And if you order pink pouch, depende sa yung zipper, guys. For example, tulad nito, I have pink, the cream, and the sky blue na pouches. Depende sa makukuha nyo, yung lining and yung zipper is depende, guys, ha. For this pink, I use green inner lining. As I was saying earlier, walang tapon sa lahat ng fabric ko, guys, because you know, bawal yung hindi pwede yung daming basura. That's why recycle tayo. Pag mag-order kayo, baka different yung inner lining na makuha nyo and the zipper, ha. The size of this is 6 inches by by 5. The size of this is 6 inches by 5 inches, and the height of this is 2.5 inches. So kayang-kaya nito lahat, kasya dito yung lahat ng ilagay nyo, lahat kasya. Kasi ito din yung pouch na ginagamit ng kapatid ko now, kasi yung mga sample na ginawa ko available in dalawang prints lang yung meron kami for the pouches, the stripe pink and this cutie sky blue. Diba? Itong sky blue na to, my favorite. Of course, hindi mawawala sa lahat ng product namin yung color sky blue. It's because it's my favorite. And by the way, the tag, I have tag Jackie, my brand Jackie. Of course, the inner lining is green. Madami-dami pa akong green na satin. That's why siguro sa lahat ng gagawin ko na mga pouch, green yung inner lining. And in the end of zipper, yung side by side end is may ganito, yung parang ears. Oh, that's what. Left and right yan. This and here and here. Very cute lang. And the plain one, this is fine corduroy. Yung ano lang, yung lightweight na klase ng corduroy. And the inner lining also is green. I don't love green color, pero wala, okay lang naman pala pag green, kasi para hindi madumi yung sa loob, di ba? Very perfect. Siguro ng pouch na gagawin ko dark color yung inside, para hindi masyado madumi. Kasi mostly pa yung problema sa pouch, pag may pouch ka, yung loob talaga yung mabilis na madumihan. Kasi yung syempre yung mga nilalagay mo. Not sure guys if for sure ako na available ito sa black color, yung fine corduroy. Kasi may mga tela pa ako na in-order na on the way na siya. I am also preparing for the University Week of Perpetual. Kasi magdi-display ulit kami doon for the University Week nila. Ito. Quilted din. Lahat ng pouches is quilted. Different design. This one is yung paslant, yung pag ganun. This horizontal, and this vertical yung pagka quilted ito. Very perfect. Available din ito for, sure ako na available din ito sa wallet size. And the price of our pouch is very affordable, very student friendly. All our products are handmade, and I assure you guys na quality talaga yung mga products namin. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Very affordable yet very quality. That's true. Hindi ko gets yung pinagsasabi ko. Ito. Available ito on October 11. By the way, it's October 4 today, and it's Johan Day. To all Caras, happy honey day! I can get over this. Siguro nag-order ako ng mga 4 or 5 colors pa. Gagawin ko ng wallet and pouches. For sure ako na may black. And siguro 4 lang kasi nag-order ako ng ganitong kulay din. Ito. Diba? Cute. Cute to. Cream color ito guys. If you want to order our hair accessories, just message us on Facebook, Shop by Jackie, or Scrunchies by Jackie, and on Instagram, shopbyjackie.co. And we have also our online store shop.jati.shopboxo.io. And don't forget guys, our pouches and wallets kasi available ito for plain colors. Available na po ito on October 11. By the time you're watching this, siguro hindi pa siya available. Depende kasi i-upload ko to on Sunday. So basta on October 11 I will open na this for sale and with more colors na available. And thank you for watching. See you on my next one.
I got doubts in my mind. I'm not good with goodbyes. When I feel we were fine, oh, I got stuck here without you. Now I'm drawing new lines.